Hello everyone, I'm Sohra from Agrimistaf, and today I want to show you an ability of data tool about the multivariate linear regression. This is a simple linear regression, the formula of linear regression. You can solve it with lots of tools, free tools, and in Excel. And this is multiple linear regression if independent variable is a vector or array is multiple linear regression, and if you can solve the multiple linear regression here in our website. I will put the link of this in the description of the video and you can watch its video. Also, if the independent variable is a vector or array, you will have the multivariate linear regression to solve this type of linear regression. You can use the data tool. Data tool is an Excel add-ins in our website. This is a tool in our website. I have several columns data, and I want to fit a multivariate linear regressions is x1 up to x8 and y1 and y2. And now I want to select these data. I should select all of the data without any headers and others, just data. I want to select the data. Okay, now I should go to data tool tab and select on MVLR. Click on MVLR and this window will open. Now I should define the number of independent and dependent variable. The number of independent variable is 8 and dependent is 2. Independent and dependent. Now I create the headers. Now I want to select. Now I should select the headers x4, x5. I should drag it. Okay. 6 and 7, 8. Okay, now x1, y1 and y2. Now I can easily click on calculate and the linear multivariate linear regression is solved. This is all the information that you need. And also in this you can you have two options to have these data. You can easily copy and paste the data here or anywhere that you want, and also this data, this text data, click on it, press Ctrl A and press Ctrl C. Now you can press Ctrl V. Another option is send data to sheet. It's so simple. You will have two sheets for data, this sheet and also this sheet, all the information that you need. And if you have you need more information, you can visit this website. I used Accord library. This is the library that we use it, and you can have all the information that you need in this website. This is an example to solve. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel to get more video about data tool and other tools. Bye.